Alright guys, so I'm starting off with that basic white and the volume 40 developer. That's the mixture. I made it runny because I'm just coloring the hair just haphazardly, just putting some color through it. If I was thinking this through, I'd have colored the bundles and not the wig on my head. So and my clothes is torn and tattered because my naga bleach up my nice clean dress them. Now if I told them my eyes weren't burning me, I'd be lying. But this is basically what I did, and pop the wig off, wash it out, and that's what we have, man.
Alright guys, so welcome. Oh, I got some makeup on. I did a tutorial. Just changed the lips. So this is what, Lord of God. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like, you guys. What? Let me just show you guys. I love how it smells because it's a neutralizing shampoo to kind of wash it. Oh my God, I can't wait to put this on and see how it looks. Papi, I'm filming. Please be quiet. So I'm just going to slip this on for you guys. Alright. Ooh. Ooh. And look. It can be tamed. So this is after hour. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. This is so nice, you guys. This is so cool. Let me see if I can see my blonde hair. No. I'm going to put some of the hair like over here to kind of conceal or whatever. This is so nice. Oh no, I have a ring on. Put a ring on it. You guys, I love how this looks. Just like hints of colors throughout. And you guys saw how I did it. Let me see. Oh, there we go. I love this, you guys. And it's nice and tamed. Somebody was saying that the hair was too full, or it's like hella full. Yeah, because it's curly hair. I'm wearing 4 full bundles, as I said, and a closure. This is your Brazilian curly hair. I love curly hair, and I also love kinky curly. Just giving you guys a look at the length again. This is so pretty, and look at how juicy these curls are. They are so juicy and nice, because I was worried about, because the guys saw what I used to color it, and I was worried that it would dry it out, because that has happened to me before in the past with curly hairs. Like after, like, it dries it out, and I was worried. But back then I was using a neutralizing shampoo, so maybe that's my bad. So this time is my neutralizing shampoo, and I also went ahead and just shampooed it. I love this. This is so good. It's so nice. It's so nice. Let me try and zoom out. Oh my gosh, you can see all my junk. It's so nice, you guys. I love this. I love this so much. Oh my God, Longqi. Longqi, I swear you guys know exactly what you're doing when it comes to hair. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. I didn't know what I'm doing. I don't know exactly what them is doing, but anyway, so I just want to show you guys how I colored the hair. Pretty easy and simple. Only use 2 products to color the hair, and I did put it in a bag. Sorry, there's a truck outside. I put it in like a clear bag, like a plastic bag type thing, and I left it for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now if I had left it longer, it would have probably destroyed the hair, meaning it would have probably over processed the hair. No, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a hairdresser, I'm not a hair technician, I'm none of those things. So I'm just playing everything by ear. What I'm showing you guys as it pertains to hair, I'm showing you guys everything, but I'm just playing everything by ear. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. So I wanted to show you guys how you can color your hair, your wigs. Can you imagine if all of it was this color? Like, it would be snatched, honey. Snatch. Yo, this is so cool. I'm in love. And of course, bouncy. Yes, I love it. I love it, you guys. I love it. And then look, I just slip it on. That's the beauty of a closure, man. It just, and you're good to go. But anyway, so this is it for this video, guys. Again, Longqi Hair, thank you so much for sending me this to review. And as I said, you guys, when it comes to Longqi, if you see this unit or any wig you see me wear, I have 3 videos I have to do for them, okay? So just so you know, you get to see me, this beauty on your screens, your TV screens, your telephone screens, your iPad screens. Yeah, so that's it for this video. It's really short and nice, to the point, and I'll talk to you in a next video. If you guys want to invest in Longqi, I highly, and if you like curly hair, I highly recommend their curly, Brazilian curly. Now if you want like big hair, like volume without it getting big, because this will get big, then do their Malaysian curly, because that one tends to be like this. Even when I try to fluff it up, it goes down like to like this. It's more tameable, but not the Brazilian. The Brazilian she can't tame she. But anyway, this is the video again. Longqi, thank you very much for sending me this review. Big up yourself, my supporters, my subscribers. Thank you for your patience with me, and thank you. By the way, you guys see like there's no glow thingy. I look funny without the line over my eyebrow. I don't like the look of not line over my eyebrows. But okay, it's whatever. And I want you to enjoy the video. Bye guys. With little lime juice. Oh girl, tea me time, man. Tea me time, man.